Good morning viewers, and welcome back to the house renovation part 2. And today they're installing the windows. This is a brand new window here, and the silicon's still wet. They shouldn't be touching it really, but it opens and closes well. And this is in the bedroom. Upstairs, okay. Locking's good. Yeah. Very good. We're finishing the frame here. We're doing it in concrete. And we're installing the front window here. So 3 windows altogether. It cost 10,500 pesos for all 3 windows. And in goes the window. Well, the frame anyway. They're very quick at doing this. This is the biggest of the 3 windows. There's the windows. And that's where they're going. In there. Also replaced the hinges on the plastic door, the bathroom plastic door, as the frame was cracked, so we've moved the hinges. And we've put all new doorknobs. Every single doorknob in the house was broken, so we've had to replace them all, and these were only 195 pesos each at the DIY hardware store, and they're pretty good, I think, for the money anyway. Still trying to finish this frame. And I've fitted new locks, 2 new locks on the front door, which I'm going to varnish. And we have windows. And he's repairing the screen at the front.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Share ko na. Ay, siya teknik.
Prepared these shelves and put them back with new brackets. We've pulled those shelves out that were there. The hinge at the bottom of the gate needs fixing. We've put cement underneath this pipe, which supports the roofing. It had rusted out. We've got new light switches now, actually fastened to the wall, and a 3-gang outlet down there, all with new wires and new mouldings. We're painting the shelves in a grey enamel. And we're still working on this frame. But the windows are in now. And the door's been varnished. So the door's finished now. And new locks. Looks good for a 25-year-old door. One thing I'm going to have to change is the electrics. The electrician put them right on the floor here, in the doorway, which is ridiculous. It'll just get in the way. So we've changed that. We've put mouldings, and they're now going up to the ceiling, where you won't stand on it every time you go in and out the door. And we're almost ready for painting now. Just a few final touches. Bit of skim coating first. This room's particularly bad. We're going to hide this with a couple of tiles. Just a couple of grey tiles at either side. And the front gates have been rebuilt at the bottom. Basically the whole gate's been rebuilt at the bottom and re-welded on. But it does the job. Gates are all painted and fixed now. We're starting to paint the roof. Paint it in primer. And now we're doing the painting. It's grey and mocha, the colour, or mocha. But it will do. Door frame's finished in concrete. We put a concrete frame in, which does what it needs to do. So how much did all this cost? Well, altogether it was around 40,000 pesos for labour and materials, and it took us about 2.5 to 3 weeks. Roof's painted now, red oxide. Painting the toilet in a chocolate brown, because we've got lots of chocolate brown left, basically. We're just about finished now. Final painting in the living room area. And the kitchen. Just needs a good clean up now. New window there. All painted. And this is the second bedroom. The first bedroom's through there. They're connected by a doorway, but they both have their own separate entrance now. And this is what it looks like after all that work. Quite a presentable little place. So hope you enjoyed watching the renovation of this, guys. Cost me 40,000 pesos in all. So not bad really. And it looks decent after all that. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe.